Real estate professionals collect, store, and share large amounts of consumer information, much of which is of a sensitive personal and financial nature. When home buyers and sellers do business with real estate professionals, they trust that the information they share will be kept confidential. You understand that trust is at the heart of your client relationships. But if that trust is broken by a data breach, can it ever be fully restored? What is the cost in lost business and referrals? Picture the harm to your business if someone steals confidential client information and uses it for fraudulent, criminal purposes. While you can see if someone pries open the locks of file cabinets or steals your wallet, would you know if someone broke into your online systems and stole valuable data? How long would it go unnoticed? How much harm could be done in the meantime? What can you do to ensure the protection of the important personal information clients entrust to your business? Creating a data security program for your business means implementing and maintaining reasonable safeguards to protect the security, confidentiality, and integrity of data, including proper disposal of that data. What types of information do you collect? The businesses receive, store, and shares client information. Think about the flow of information, your own and your clients'. What are the various types of information that comes to you and how do you share that information with others? For example, in order to complete a transaction you probably collect Social Security numbers for credit checks on renters or to complete an REO or short sale transaction. Bank account information for mortgage documents and closing statements. Personal checks as earnest money. Credit card information to pay for services such as inspections or appraisals. Driver's license numbers when agents leave the office with a new client for the first time. Name, address, previous address, email, phone, family members' names, birthdays, hobbies, and other details for contact management programs. Real estate professionals collect personal information to help clients buy or sell property, to move transactions along, and maintain personalized contact. But, collecting and storing all of this information electronically may open the data doorway just enough for a malicious intruder to slip in and steal it. Does this mean that real estate firms cannot maintain the vital client and transaction information they need for business success? Of course not. But, it does mean that data privacy, protecting clients' personal information, must be a top priority for everyone from the CEO to the janitorial staff. Customers expect their data to be secure. Protecting personal information has become a top concern for consumers worldwide. Consumers expect businesses to safeguard the information they share, but few have confidence in the ability of businesses to keep their information private. News reports of data breaches undermine the confidence of every consumer. Unfortunately, consumers who lack trust in your ability to protect their information will go elsewhere to do business. 65% of consumers believe companies are vulnerable to hacks and cyber attacks. 25% of consumers believe most companies handle their sensitive personal data responsibly. 10% of consumers feel they have complete control over their personal information. The good news is you don't have to be a tech whiz to avoid the common risks and threats related to data security. Your business can implement preventive measures, set security policies, and make contingency plans for a data breach. You can outsmart the attempts that rely on human actions to steal personal data with vigilance, common sense, and readily available tools. Personal, financial, medical, and proprietary business data are all sensitive and need to be safeguarded. Unauthorized access to this information can lead to identity theft and other forms of exploitation. Data breaches can violate the privacy. Many industries are governed by data protection laws and regulations. Failure to comply with these regulations can lead to fines and legal consequences. For organizations, data is critical for daily operations. Any breach or loss of data can disrupt business processes, leading to downtime, financial losses, and damage to reputation. Businesses invest time and resources in developing intellectual property, including trade secrets, patents, and proprietary software. Secure data systems prevent unauthorized access and theft of these valuable assets. Cybercriminals continually evolve their tactics to exploit vulnerabilities in systems. Robust data security measures, including firewalls, encryption, and intrusion detection systems, help deter and mitigate these attacks. Data breaches can erode trust and damage an organization's reputation. Customers, clients, and partners are less likely to engage with an entity that has a history of data security issues. The fallout from data breaches can be expensive, including costs associated with investigating the breach, notifying affected parties, legal fees, and potential lawsuits. Employees and users need to trust that the data they share with an organization will be handled responsibly. Proper data security measures promote trust and confidence. Ensuring the accuracy and reliability of data is essential. Unauthorized modifications to data can have serious consequences. Not all data breaches come from external attackers. Insider threats, whether intentional or accidental, can also compromise data security. Access controls and monitoring help mitigate these risks.